Hello, dear friends. I am Sarfab Savir from Pakistan. I usually paint without drawing, but sometimes I also draw before painting. It depends on composition and detail. I wet the sheet, especially in summer seasons, so that there are no spots on the sheet and the color mixing with the water and spreads evenly on the sheet. As you know, first we start from sky. That is the scene that is at the back painted first, then middle part. As you know, dry with a blur to paint next strokes. While painting, keep in mind how your artwork can attract people attentions depends on composition you have made and the choice of beautiful colors and quality of sheets and brushes. I think you never compromise on art materials. Okay. My painting today is a beautiful building in London, which is famous for being called Harrods. Look at it from any angle, and it's evenly. Every detail is charming. The building has numerous windows and doors, and there are charming domes on the upper part that which I enjoy painting a lot. I work prominently on some parts of the painting and do very little work on some middle parts. Give some details on the top area of the building. That is very important. As I told you, I work prominently on some parts of the painting and do very little work on some middle parts. My theory is that this is necessary to give relief to the painting. Otherwise, the viewers cannot enjoy the painting to the fullest. I always like Impressionism so that I give only little details to the painting. There are many windows and doors looking in this painting, but I paint only those areas which are something important in the painting. Top areas must be lighted. If you paint some thick strokes, you can remove some of colors from the thick area with water and tissue paper. Give some more details to the part, to the front part of the painting, and less details in the foreground part of the painting. Now we are gradually coming to the foreground part of the painting. The building has too much detail on it, but when you are painting, don't give more details in every area. Just impressionism. Now we are coming to the front part of the painting. People and motor vehicles and sometimes cyclists. Here the real exam of your drawing is going to start. The color of car must be different than the background of the painting. And please be careful that when you draw people in still and moving places, you need to pay more attention to this part. Make some people close and some far away blurry so that the scene has a sense of nearness and distance. To give a movement in the painting, you must paint the pupil in moving form, coming or going. Do not paint pupils in still form. When you paint in still form, the painting is looking not good. electric poles and lights are very important, play a beautiful part in the painting. So today our painting has come to an end. See you in another video. If you have any questions, please you can ask in the comments. Okay, bye. Thanks.